सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्म उपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत् अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरते यौपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओमित्येतदक्षरमुद्गीतमुपासीत ओमिति ह्युद्गायते तस्योपव्याख्यानम् तदभिध्यानादेव तु तल्लिंगात् सह किम इमानि वेदादीनि भूतानि स्वयमेव स्विकारान् सृजन्ति। इमानि वेदादीनि भूतानि, these five elements beginning from Vyad or space, kim swameva svavikaran sujanti, do they create their own modifications, their own products, their own effects? Like, is it the space that creates independently the element air, and air creates fire, and so on? Ahosvita Parameshwareva tena tena atmana avadishtamana abhidhyayan tam tam vikaram sujateti. Or is it Parameshwara, the Paramatma, Param Brahma? Seva tena tena atmana avatishtamana, obtaining as the very self of the space, very self of the air, very self of those respective elements. Abhidhyayan, that he meditates, he deliberates, and tam tam vikaram sujati, and he creates those particular modifications. Do these elements independently create these subsequent elements, or is it Parameshwara, obtaining as the self of those elements, he creates them? Iti sandehe sati praptam tavat swayameva srujanti iti. So when this doubt arises whether the elements themselves create the subsequent elements or is it Parameshwara who does? Then Tavat Praptam. Purva Pakshi says, Swayameva Srujanti, taking the literal meaning. Akashad Vayuhu, Vayuhu Agnihi, Agnihi Apaha. The Shruti says that from space the air, from air the fire, from fire the water. There is no mention of Parameshwara here. Therefore, these statements lead us to believe that these elements themselves create the subsequent modifications. So, kuda akashad vayu vaidiyadi swatantra shravanat. That akasha, independent of Paramatma, creates vayu, and vayu, independent of Paramatma, creates agni. Nanu acetananam स्वतंत्राणाम प्रवृत्ति ही प्रतिषिद्धा. But look, in the previous sutra this was discussed. आकाशादेव समुत्पद्यन्ते और रचना अनुपपत्ते. In that sutra it was established that the pradhan acetanam does not have the knowledge required for the universe is to be created, because knowledge always rests or centers on a conscious being. These elements are unconscious, therefore they cannot have knowledge, therefore they cannot create. This has already been said. Naisha dosha, that dosha is not there, the defect is not here. Tat teja aikshata taha apa ऐक्षन्त च भूतानामपि चेतनत्व श्रवणात्. Again, taking literally the meaning of this Shruti statement, tat teja asrujata, tat teja aikshata. That teja, the element fire, aikshata saw, deliberated. Tadapaha aikshanta, what element water also deliberated. So Shruti says that these elements deliberated, and deliberation means that there must be conscious entity. Iti bhutanapi chetanatva shravanat. Shruti herself says that these elements deliberated, therefore they are chetana, they are sentient beings. So therefore we say that these elements independent of Ishvara, created the subsequent elements. एवं प्राप्ते अभिधीयते. स एव परमेश्वरः तेन तेन आत्मना अवतिष्ठमानः अभिध्यायन् तं तं विकारं सृजति इति अभिधीयते. This is what this Sutrakara has to say. So, tat abhidhyayan tad lingat saha. So, saha eva. So, tad abhidhyanat eva. Tad lingat. The eva kara goes with saha. Sa eva Parameshwaraha. So, although the Shruti words are not in Anvaya, tad abhidhyanat eva tu tad lingat saha. Saha eva. That's how. So saha eva becomes the pratigna. Sa eva Parameshwaraha tena tena atmana avatishthamanaha abhidhyayan tam tam vikaram srujati iti. Meaning that the one who deliberates is Parameshwara and not this element or the devatas in that element. Nor, and there is Parameshwara who creates. So Parameshwara is the one who deliberates, and Parameshwara is the one who creates. The elements neither deliberate nor do they create. Parameshwara who obtains as their very self. So he deliberates and he creates. Although when he said Bhutanam means Tat Abhimani Devatanam ityartha. When the Shruti says that the element fire deliberated, we should understand that the deity presiding over the element fire, deliberated. So said Siddhanti, Akashadi Shabdehi na devata lakshana. So what the Purva Pakshi said, when it says Tat Tejah Aikshata, then when the fire deliberated, we should understand by the word fire, we should understand the Devata, presiding deity of fire. That's called Lakshana Vritti. You do not take the literal meaning. And the fire is, this is Jahal Lakshana. Altogether fire is discarded, and in place of that the Adhisthana Devata is substituted. Therefore, so the Lakshana na yukta. It is not proper that you should resort to Lakshana Vritti or implied meaning. When the literal meaning is possible, we should not go for the implied meaning. Mukhyarthe badhaka abhavat. It is a badhaka in mukhyartha. If in taking mukhya the literal meaning, there is a badhaka. There is something that obstructs that meaning. Meaning that meaning does not make sense in that particular context. Then only you go for the implied meaning. For example, when you say Gangayam Ghosha, there is this hamlet on the Ganga. So it's the Badhaka here. The Ganga means Ganga Pravaha, of the stream of water. Nobody can have a hamlet rather, or an establishment on the stream of water. So the water is Badhaka for construction of or for the residence of people. Therefore, you give the word stream and go for a related word, the bank of the river. So where the primary meaning does not fit into the context, then you go for the implied meaning. In this case, there is no reason for you to go for implied meaning because the primary meaning is quite okay. So Teja means Teja. You need not go for anything else. Panchamyascha prakrutitvarthaha tatra rudataratvat akashat vayoho agnihi. In each case the panchami is used. Prakrutitvarthaha, that shows that they are the cause. Tatra rudataratvat, because the fifth case is more common or more commonly used for indicating the cause. तथा च अचेतनानां भूतानां कर्तृत्वमेव नास्ति कुतः ईश्वर अनपेक्ष कर्तृत्वम्. Therefore, the insentient entities such as elements cannot have kartrutvam, doership. Where is the question of independent kartrutvam, even dependent kartrutvam? The doership itself cannot be there because they are insentient. Kutah Ishvara anapeksha kartrutvam. Then where is the question of there being the karta or the creators independent of Ishvara? Yadyapi devatanam kartrutvam sambhavati. But we said that by the word elements you should take the devata. So devatas being the conscious being, therefore kartrutva, the doership, creatorship is possible. Tathapi Ishvara niyamyatva shravanat. But Shruti says that even devatas also are ruled by Ishvara. Chetananapi na swatantriyam. Therefore, even conscious beings also do not have the freedom. They also do whatever they do as ruled by Ishvara, within the framework of the rules of Ishvara, that conscious beings also can function. Kivacham acetananam bhutanam na swatantriyamiti. When the devatas, who are conscious beings, they do not have swatantram or freedom, meaning that even they also cannot function independent of Parameshvara, then where is the question of these insentient elements having that freedom? This is Tallingat. So, Parameshvara tena tena atmana avatishthamanah abhidhyayan tam tam vikaram srujati iti. So, this is our Siddhanta, this is our proposition, that Parameshvara, obtaining as the self of those elements, he deliberates and creates the subsequent elements. Kutaha, on what basis do you say? So that bhutanam swatantra shravanat nasti swavikara srashtau ishvara apekshadi uktatvat. But we already said that since the elements are independent, they do not require Ishvara for creating or deliberating, then why do you say that Ishvara does it? So, Sautram Hetumadaya Vibhajate, the reply is given based on the Hetu given the Sutra. Let us read that. Kutaha Tallingat Tatha hi Shastram Yah Prithivyam Tishthan Yah Prithivya Antaraha Yam Prithvi na Veda Yasya Prithvi Shariram Yah Prithvi Mantaro Yamayate Iti Evam Jatiyakam Sa Adhyakshamanam Eva Sa Adhyakshanam Eva Bhutanam Pravrittim Darshayate. Linga means indicatory mark. Because of those indicatory marks, we say that Parameshvara deliberates and Parameshvara creates. Tathai Shastram. To illustrate, this is what the Shruti says. Yah Prithivyam Tishtan Yah Antaryami, the inner ruler, the Parameshvara. Prithivyam Tishtan, remaining within the Prithvi, within the earth, remaining in the earth. Yah Prithivyaha Antaraha, who is within the earth. Yam Prithvi na Veda, whom the Prithvi, the earth, does not know. Yasya Prithvi Shariram, of whom the Prithvi itself is Sharira. Meaning that Antaryami does not require any other body. Prithvi itself becomes a body. Yah Prithivim Antaro Yamayati, who remaining within the Prithvi rules the Prithvi, controls the Prithvi. So Prithvi is what it is because of the inner ruler. In short, the Prithvi is being ruled. Prithvi is not independent. Iti evam jadekam shastram. This and similar statements of the Shruti. Sadhyakshanam eva adhyakshena savartamana. So, adhyaksh means what? The witness. So that presided over by witness. So being Adhyaksh also means the one who is presiding over. So therefore, the elements such as Prithvi also, Pravritti, what the Prithvi does, it does as presided over by a conscious being, that is Parameshvara. Meaning that the activity of Prithvi are not independent. The Parameshvara resides as Antaryami, as the inner ruler, and rules the Prithvi, meaning that whatever Prithvi does is according to the rule of the inner ruler, Antaryami. Then further Bhashyakara says, Tatha Suhitasya Bhutanam Ayukta Swatantrena Pravritti. For this further reason also. One reason is what? That Bhutas, elements are not independent. They are ruled by the Antaryami. And further, Suhitasya Bhutanam Ayukta Swatantrena Pravritti. For this further reason also, we say that the elements do not have independent activity. So Bhashyakara says, Tatha Sokamayata Bahusyam Prajaya Iti Prastutya Satchatyacha Bhavata Tadatmanam Swayam Kuruta Iti Cha Tasyaiva Cha Sarvatma Bhavam Darshayate. Tatha, furthermore, so kamayata saha akamayata saha Parameshvara akamayata, that Parameshvara desired. Bahusyam, may I become many. Prajaya, may I be born. So may I become many, may I be born as this universe. That's what the Parameshvara desired or deliberated. So that's important. In the Prastutya. So beginning with this statement, that is Parameshvara who entertained the desire of becoming many and being born. Then Satchatyacha Bhavata, that Parameshvara himself becomes Sat and Tyat. Sat means the three elements, fire, water and earth. Tyat means the other two elements, space and air. Sat means the gross, Tyat means the subtle, Sat means the effect or Murta, Tyat means Amurta, etc. So Sat and Tyat, when you add up, then become Satyam. So therefore, word Satya was given two meanings. One is Vyavaharika Satta. When word Satya is understood as Sat plus Tyat as Satyam, then it means the creation made of five elements. That is Satyam, the truth. That is a Vyavaharika Satya. Then Satyasya Satyam. Ishvara is the Satyasya Satyam, the truth of this truth. So universe is Satyam, truth, and its truth is Paramatma. So this truth is only in fact Mithya is called Satyam here, because it has some Satyam as far as people are concerned. The Vyavaharika Satya is there. So you can do the Vyavahara, that much Satyata is there. So Satchatyacha Bhavata, he himself became Sat and Tyat. Paramatma himself became this universe of five elements. Niruktam cha, nilayanam cha, vijnanam cha, satyatyacha bhavata. Then tadatmanam swayam kuruta. That Paramatma himself created himself. So Paramatma made himself in the form of this universe. So Paramatma by himself became the universe. Meaning Paramatma is independent in, so kamayata, he is independent in deliberation and स्वयमेव अकुरुत means that Atmanam Swameva Karuta. He independently, he himself, by himself, became this universe. So he is the independently he creates, independently deliberates. इति च तस्यैव सर्वात्मभावं दर्शयति. That so these two statements show how Ishvara is Sarvatma, the self of all. Satchat Tyatcha Bhavata, he became Sat and Tyat, he became the universe of five elements, he became everything, meaning that he is the self of all. Or Tadatmanam Swamakuruta, he created himself by himself, so he himself became this universe, he is the self of the whole universe. So Sarvatma Bhavam Darshayati. So Ratnabhad said, Tattat Achetanaatmana Avasthitasya Brahmanah Upadanatvepi Jiva Vyavritta Ishvaratva Akareneva Sakshat Sarvakartatvam Na Jivatva Dvara Tasya Sarvaniyantritva Lingat Niyantritva Lingadityartha. So that was the explanation of Yah Pruthivyam Tishtan etc. तत्तत् अचेतनात्मना अवस्थितस्य ब्रह्मणः. Brahman who obtains as the self of Prithvi, self of earth, self of fire, self of all these unconscious inert beings. Brahmana upadanatvepi. So Brahma is the upadanam, the material cause for all of them. But that's all right. But then Jiva created, Devata created, why not? Even Brahma is Upadanam, but Devata created, taking Brahma is Upadanam says no. Jiva Vyavritta Ishvaratva Akaraneva Sakshat Sarvakartatvam. It is not as Devata that he is a creator, but as Parameshvara is the creator. Jiva Vyavritta Ishvaratva Akaraneva, excluding the Jiva as Ishvara alone. So that is why Yah Pruthivyamantaro Yamayati iti sa adhyakshanam bhutanam pravritim darshayati. That bhuta, the elements, have the pravritti or activity whereas presided over by Parameshvara, by the conscious being. Tasya sarvaniyantritvat lingat. So what's the linga here? Lingat means what? Sarvaniyantritvat. Because Parameshvara is sarvaniyanta. That is why he is a niyanta. So he alone does everything. Even though Prithvi may appear to do something, but still it is Parameshvara obtaining as the very self of Prithvi, he does. So Prithvi may appear to create something. Prithivya Oshadaya, the herbs and plants are all created from Prithvi. It is Parameshvara obtaining the self of Prithvi who does that. So second is Prakaranach Saksha Sarvakartatvam. Prakaranat. In the same context of creation, elsewhere in Taittiriya Upanishad, this is what is said. तथा सो कामयत बहुश्याम प्रजायति प्रस्तुत्य सच्चत्यच्चाभवत् तदात्मानं स्वम् अकुरुत इति च तस्यैव च सर्वात्मभावं दर्शयति. Now पूर्वोक्तम अनुद्य निरस्यते. what the Purva Pakshi had said, Anudya, reiterating that, restating that, Bhashyakara refutes that Yattu iti. Yattu Ikshana Aptejasoho Tata Parameshwara Aveshavashadeva Drashtavyam Nanyo Tosti Drashta Iti Ikshitrantara Pratishedhad. So tat teja aikshata taha apaha aikshanta. That's what Purva Pakshi said, that bhutanavi chetanatva shravanat. From that we conclude that elements also are conscious being. To that Bhashyaka replies, Yattu ikshana shravanam up tejasoho. The Shruti says that up or water, tejas or fire, deliberated. Tat Parameshwara Aveshavashat eva. That is because Parameshwara has entered these elements as their own self. Drashtavyam nanya atasi drashtayati. That Parameshwara alone does that ikshanam because nanya atasti drashta ata anya drashta nasti. There is no drashta or the seer other than the Parameshwara. Therefore, ikshanam is seeing. Tat aikshata, he saw. But Upanishad says that there is no seer other than Parameshwara. So even though it looks like the element fire saw, in fact it is Parameshwara obtaining as the self element fire that saw or that deliberated. Ikshitrantara Pratishedhat. Because Upanishad says that only one Ikshita is there, one Drashta is there, one seer is there, and that is Brahman, that is consciousness, and no one else. So says Ratnavara, Parameshwarasya antare bhavena avesha sambandha. Parameshwara aveshat. So Parameshwara obtains as the antaryami of the elements. And that avesha means sambandha. Parameshwara sambandhat. Parameshwara obtains as the antaryami of the elements, and because of that, tadvashat, because of that only, bhuteshu ikshanam. So in the elements also, ikshanam or the deliberation or seeing is because of the Parameshwara being present there as the antaryami. Naitavata tesham chetanatvam swatantram va. So because of that, you cannot, just because Upanishad says tat tejaha aikshata, that element fire deliberated is only, it means that only Parameshwara deliberated. Therefore, on the strength of that statement, you cannot say that the bhuta, other elements, are conscious or independent. Anena tat abhidhyanat iti padam vyakyatam. So, tat abhidhyanat, by deliberation upon tat, by deliberation upon those respective elements. The idea is that deliberation must take place before the creation takes place. So before the creation of element Vayu, Ishvara as the element space or the self of the space deliberates upon Vayu and then creates Vayu. Then Ishvara, obtaining as the self of Vayu, deliberates upon fire and creates element fire. Anena tat abhidhyanadi padam vyakyatam ittham sutra yojana. So the Tikakara explains the sutra. What is sutra? Tad abhidhyanadeva tad lingat saha. Tad abhidhyanadeva tu tad lingat saha. Saha Ishvara तत्तत् आत्मना स्थितोपि साक्षादेव सर्वकर्ता तस्य अंतर्यामित्वलिंगात्। स ईश्वर तत्तत् आत्मना स्थितोपि, that very Ishvara who obtains as the Atma, the self of those respective elements. Sakshadeva Sarvakarta, it is Ishvara who is directly the creator, not through somebody. Not Ishvara creates through Bhuta, not Ishvara creates through Devata, Ishvara himself creates. Sakshadeva Sarvakarta, tasya antaryamitva lingat, because he is antaryami. Jivatva dvara kartrutvam nama. To say that Ishvara deliberates or creates through Devata, Devatas also are Jivas. Jivasya kartrutvam iti. In that case, so Jiva becomes a karta, antaryamina, kartrutva asiddhe. Then antaryami is not proven to be the karta. If Devata is the karta, not antaryami. Antaryamitva ayogat. The idea is that even when antaryami is there as a very self, still that jiva or devata himself creates. That means that antaryami does not have the power. If the boss is sitting here, sometimes father is sitting there and the son behaves whatever way he wants, suppose. That means father has no authority. If the figure of authority is there, and in presence of that, some assistant or somebody independently behaves, in that case, this is not the authority. Similarly also, if the ruler is sitting there as the very self, in spite of his presence, if Devata or Jiva independently deliberates, independently creates, then that means that he is not the antaryami, because even though the ruler is there, this fellow is independently functioning, then rulership itself is not there. Therefore, antaryamitva ayogat. If a jiva or devata deliberates and creates independently, then the Parameshvara no more remains antaryami, the inner ruler. So tat abhidhyanat Ishvara Ikshanadeva, tad abhidhyanat. It is the Ikshanam, the abhidhyanam, the deliberation or deep meditation on the part of Ishvara himself. Bhuteshu Sutekshano Vattescha. Actually, Ishvara obtaining his antaryami deliberates, and by Lakshana it says the fire deliberated and the water deliberated. So that is only why. So Shuddha Ikshano Pattescha. It is Ishvara deliberates, and Shruti says, because Ishvara is not seen, the inner ruler is not seen. What is seen is fire. And then you see deliberation there where Shruti says the fire deliberated. We should understand that Ishvara obtaining the self of fire deliberates himself. So that is how you can logically explain the deliberation, the part of the elements, by only understanding that Ishvara obtaining as their self deliberates. Or says Nyaya Nirnaya Parameshvarasya Bhuteshu Praveshat Tadiyameva Abhidhyanam Ap Tejaso Upacharyate. Therefore, you must understand this in a secondary sense. That water and fire deliberated is to be taken in the secondary sense, because tas sushtva tadevanu pravishada. Taittiriya Upanishad says Ishvara, having created the elements, entered the elements. Chandogya also will say Anena jivena atmana anupravishya namarupe vyakarvani iti. So that Devata Sat says that as Jivatma, I will enter the three elements and bring to manifestation names and forms. So, the manifestation of names and forms is by Brahman directly or Ishvara directly. So, when Upanishad says the fire deliberated only in Aupacharika, only a secondary sense, misunderstand, or water deliberated in a secondary sense, in primary sense, Parameshvara alone deliberated. Tat na bhutanam chetanatva ashanka ityartha. Therefore, in a secondary sense. So, manchaha kroshanti, they say. Manchaha kroshanti, the scaffoldings are screaming. The scaffoldings are screaming. So, when you take a walk in the midst of fields in the early morning, then you find that there are scaffoldings on the trees or created scaffoldings where the farmers are sleeping. In the morning they wake up and the birds also wake up and start eating their grains, and so these fellows want to drive them away, and therefore they shout at them. So from every you don't see what you see, the scaffolding, don't see the person sitting in scaffolding. Therefore you say this, manchaha kroshanti, the scaffolding, the screaming. When the scaffolding is screaming, it is the person in the scaffolding that is screaming, and that screaming is attributed to scaffolding only in a secondary sense, not in the primary sense, because scaffolding is insentient, it cannot scream. So there must be a sentient or a conscious being in the scaffolding who screams. Again, Nyayana says, भूतानां तत् अभिमानी चेतन देवता द्वारेण ईक्षण सिद्धौ किम ईश्वरनिता संख्या. So bhutanam tat abhimani chetana devata. The Puru Pakshi says, we said, when we said that the bhuta, the elements deliberated, we meant the devata, the presiding deity deliberated. Then why do you bring Parameshvara in there? Why do you bring Parameshvara? Tadabhimani Chetana Devata Dvarena Ikshana Siddhau. When Chetana, conscious Devata, who is presiding over that element, he deliberates, then Kim Ishvarena. Then why do you say Ishvara deliberates? In that sense, is Nanyaha Atasti Drashta. Says Drashta is only Ishvara, no Devata, nobody else. There is only one Drashta, one Sakshi, one witness, one deliberator everywhere, and that is Parameshvara. So even though Devata appears to be deliberating, Ishvara alone is the true deliberator or true seer. Or as Ratnaprabha said, Tat Tejaha Aikshadeti Shrutah Ikshita Paramatma eva. Tat Tejaha Aikshada, that element fire, deliberately Shrutah Ikshita, that deliberator or seer that the Shruti talks about is Paramatma eva, because Nanya Atahasti Drashta. There is no Drashta or seer other than Paramatma anywhere. It's important that everything is done by Parameshvara. Aham sarvasya prabhava mattas sarvam pravartate. Aham sarvasya prabhava. I am the origin of everything. Mattas sarvam pravartate. All the pravritti is because of me. I am the one that prompts all the activities. Yatah pravrittir bhutanam yena saram idam tatam. That from whom the pravritti, all the activities of all the beings is, and the creation of all the beings is, and one who pervades everything. Says Nyaya Nirnay, Bhavatu va chetananam devatatmanam भिन्नत्वं तथापि किं कारणमिति विषये परमेश्वरस्य कारणत्वेन क्लुप्तत्वात् सेव द्विधा कारणमिति. भवतु वा चेतनानां देवतात्मनां भिन्नत्वं. All right, that devata who is chetana, they are different from Parmeshwara. Okay, तथापि किं कारणम. Still, who is the Karanam? Who is the creator? What's the material cause? What's the efficient cause? Iti Vishay, Vishay means Samshaye, Parameshwarasya Karanattvena Kluptatvat. Already Upanishad said that Parameshwara is a Karanam. Sayeva Dvida Karanam. Therefore, he alone is the Karanam, both ways, the material and efficient cause. So Prakrutatvat Bhashyakara says, Prakrutatvacha Satah Ikshituhu Tadaikshata Bahusyam Prajaya Ityatra. Before it says Tat Teja Aikshata, Upanishad said Tat Aikshata, that Devata Sat or Brahma in fact deliberated Bahusyam Prajaya, may become many, may be one. So first deliberation is on the part of Brahma. So Prakrutatvat. So who is the deliberator? Brahman is presented as the one who deliberates. Prakruta, that's under the discussion. So Parameshwarasya Karanatena Kluptatvat. Parameshwara already has been determined to be Kluptam in Nischidam. So Parameshwara is already determined in the Karanam. How? Tadaikshata Bahusyam Prajaya. The Paramatma deliberated may become many means what? The Upadana Karanam. Prajaya may be born. And so basically presented as the Upadana Karanam, and Tad Aikshata, that is the Nimitta Karanam. Because Ikshanam is on the part of the conscious being, Bahubhavanam or becoming many is a part of the Upadana Karanam. So in case of the clay and the pot maker deliberates and clay becomes many. One clay becomes many pots and pans. Here on the other hand, Paramatma deliberates, he himself becomes many names and forms, so is Dvidha Karanam. He both ways as the Upadana Karanam, material cause, and Nimitta Karanam, efficient cause both ways, Parameshwara is a Karanam. Therefore says Ratnava, Tasmad Ishvara Padartha Lopa Prasangena Ishvarad Anyasya Swatantra Abhavat Na Ishvara Kartutva Shrutehe Bhuta Shrutya Virodhaiti Siddham. Tasmad Ishvara Padartha Lopa Prasangena. If the Bhutas or anybody starts functioning independently, deliberating independently, creating independently, then there is no Ishvara. Why? By the very meaning, Ishvara means a ruler. One whose nature it is to rule. In spite of ruler being there, if these elements and devatas independently deliberate and independently create, then where is Ishvara? He can't be called Ishvara. So Ishvara Padartha Lopa Prasangena. The word Ishvara itself will have no meaning. Therefore, Ishvara Anyasya Swatantra Abhavat. The word Ishvara itself says that he is a ruler. That means He is only Swatantra, he is only independent, one entity, there is nobody else or nothing else that is independent. न ईश्वर कर्तृत्व श्रुते भूत श्रुत्या विरोध है. That was the Shruti which says Ishvara is a karta, so kamayata, and this says tat tejaha aikshata, etc. There is no virodha because everywhere Ishvara alone is a deliberator, Ishvara alone is a creator. और न्याय निर्णय says ब्रह्मण स्वरूपेण pararupeణ sarvakaranatve. Either Brahman as Brahman creates or Brahman as space creates, Brahman as Vayu creates. Swarupena parupena sarvakaranatve. In any case, Brahman is sarvakaranam, the cause of everything. Sarva sastru Brahma samanvayasya. So Brahman is Tatparya is what? Brahman is sarva sastru. Brahman is creator of everything. And not even via media, through anything, directly creates everything. As Vayu, but Brahman creates. As fire, Brahman creates. Bhuta Swatantra Sastutva Shruti Virodha Na. Therefore, even though the Shruti seems to say that Bhutas create and independently create, that is to be taken only as secondary stance. By Bhuta we should understand Ishvara who creates. Therefore, Virodha na iti. So this is how Siddhanti wants to bring about the avirodha of the Shruti. The Ekadeshi said that one Shruti is primary, other Shruti is Gauni. That way he wants to remove the Virodha. But Vedantin says both the Shrutis are taken to be primary. And so when it said Bhuta, you should understand as Parameshwara obtaining as the self of that particular element. So there is no virodha at all. So there is no contradiction, inner contradiction between this Shruti statements. Therefore, Shruti remains Pramanam. And everywhere, Brahman is the creator, Brahman is the seer, etc. In this manner, in all these sutras, the topic of the 5 elements and the creation has been dealt with, and that way this one topic is concluded here. There are some other sutras also that we have to study, and but in fact we are studying only Chandogya Upanishad. Understand, what we are studying are the statements of Chandogya Upanishad only, and this sutra and bhashya in fact elaborately explain those statements only. So this is on one hand is study of Brahma Sutra, on the other hand is study of Chandogya only. You should understand that. So we are not departing from our main topic, when we do the Brahma Sutra. So we will continue tomorrow also with Brahma Sutra. We will go to the right beginning. We go to the 5th Sutra of the 1st chapter, 1st quarter, 115. Ikshate na shabdam. That's a sutra which talks about the creation based on this Upanishad only. On the page 100, beginning from page 100 of this book, the sutra is on page 102, Ikshate na ashabdam. So that's what it says. Na means what? The pradhanam is not the cause. Ashabdam because pradhana is not mentioned by the Upanishads. Ikshate because of ikshanam, that it is a conscious being and not some unconscious or insentient being such as pradhanam. But very elaborate arguments are given there because the Sankhyas want to interpret, because they use the pronouns. So, Sadeva Swamidam. What is Sat? Sankhya say that what the Upanishad means by the word Sat is pradhanam. That's what the Sankhyas want to say. And Vedantins want to clarify that Sat means Brahman. So that will be the next line of discussion here. We'll continue from tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्ति। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।